If your dryer is located in a cold area, not frequently used, or a load is left in the dryer for an extended period of time, you may hear a thumping noise when you start a new drying cycle. Please note that this is normal. The thumping noise may occur when the rubber rollers that help rotate your tub become temporarily misshapen during a period of rust. When the dryer is turned on and a cycle begins, the drum will warm up and the flat spots on the rubber rollers will regain their shape and the thumping noise will dissipate.